Hello and welcome. For running this stable diffusion on your computer, I would recommend to have at least 10 GB VRAM on your GPU. But this can run with least memory, it required memory limit settings. I quick show how to install step-by-step Nvidia drivers and CUDA tools first. At this point 530 driver are newest, but check the latest drivers with ubuntu-drivers list command. Essential tools for running these AI stuff is Nvidia driver and CUDA toolset. Then download and install CUDA. Latest check Nvidia driver and CUDA installation. And here is how it should look like. Then install necessary dependencies for Stable Diffusion Webgui UI. Next download and install CUDA. Relog in after install CUDA 3 to your user. Create a Conda environment for Stable Diffusion. Activate the Conda environment. Clone the Stable Diffusion repository from GitHub. Download the pre-trained model, replace with the correct download link. Here is a few page where you can download pre-trained models. Here is Stable Diffusion basic models which you can use for training your own models or generating general purpose pictures. Just model download and copy it to Stable Diffusion models folder. Activate the Conda environment. Launch the Stable Diffusion web interface. Latest open browser to 127.0.0.1 and port 7860. Latest download Stable Diffusion extension called deforum which create videos. Here is also other extensions, just install extension and restart Stable Diffusion service. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.